Welcome to this special session on career guidance. This video is brought to you by Connect to Roots Foundation in collaboration with Wellinka School of Management as part of the Global Citizen Leadership DUPACE and GCL program, an initiative that empowers MBA students to take on meaningful social projects. Through this program, students contribute to the upliftment of underprivileged youth by driving impactful change. At Connect to Roots Foundation, our mission is to empower marginalized communities through mentorship, skill development, and vocational training. As a registered nonprofit, we believe that sustainable development starts with education and skills. Our programs are designed to equip young graduates and professionals with the tools they need to achieve economic independence and build a better future. So stay tuned as we explore real career opportunities, the skills industries demand, and how you can take your first steps toward a brighter future. If you're in your first year of college and feeling lost about your future, you're definitely not alone. The pressure from family and society can be overwhelming, but here's a thought: web development could be your path. Imagine building the websites and apps you use daily, like Flipkart or YouTube. Web development has three main areas: front end, where you design what users see; back end, which manages servers and databases; and full stack, where you do both. The demand for web developers is skyrocketing in India. Lakhs of jobs are opening up across various sectors. And guess what? You don't need a fancy degree. If you can build and showcase your work, companies will notice you. You can even start earning while you study. Internships or freelancing can bring in hours in 15,000 to hours in 30,000 a month. Plus, you can work from anywhere, whether it's your home or a small town. All you need is the internet and a passion to learn. This could be the start of something great for you. Learning web development is more accessible than you think, even if you don't have a computer science background or a laptop. Start with the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Imagine HTML as the structure of a house, CSS as the paint and design, and JavaScript as the electricity that powers everything. You don't have to spend a dime to learn these skills. There are tons of free resources available online. If Hindi is your preference, check out channels like Code with Harry or Apna College. For English speakers, Free Codecamp and the Net Ninja are fantastic options. And guess what? You can start learning right from your smartphone. Apps like Solo Learn and mobile-friendly sites like W3 Schools make it easy to practice on the go. Once you grasp the basics, dive into building small projects. Create a personal website, a to-do list, or even a simple calculator. Don't aim for perfection, just focus on applying what you learn. It's completely fine to take your time and face challenges. Consistency is key. Practice one concept daily and build a project weekly. In a few months, you'll see real progress. Web development is for everyone, regardless of your background or language skills. All you need is the desire to start. Once you've built a few small projects, it's time to showcase your skills with a portfolio. Think of it as a photo album for your work. You can easily create one using GitHub and Netlify. Both are free. Just upload your best projects and share the link with potential employers or local businesses. Now, let's talk about finding work. Look for beginner internships on platforms like Internshala or Let's Intern. You can also offer your services to local shops or tuition centers. Many are willing to pay Rs 1,000 to Rs 3,000 for a website, and if you impress them, you could earn even more. Want to reach a global audience? Try freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Many students are making Rs 10,000 to Rs 25,000 a month just by building websites from home. And as you gain experience, your income can skyrocket. Experienced developers can earn Rs 50,000 to Rs 1 lakh per month, all without leaving their hometown. Worried about your background or English skills? Don't be. Many successful developers come from humble beginnings. What matters is your consistency and dedication. So keep learning, keep building, and remember, every small step counts. Web development isn't just a job, it's a life-changing opportunity. Start today and your future self will thank you. Web development is more than just coding. It's a pathway to freedom and opportunity. You don't need the latest tech or a perfect background to start, just the courage to take that first step. Remember, even the top professionals once Googled, "What is HTML?" Everyone begins somewhere. Your journey might be slow and you may stumble, but progress is what matters. Picture this: a year from now, you've built your own website, completed internships, and maybe even earned your first Rs 10,000 online. You'll walk into your third year not just with a degree but with real skills that employers want. Web development can empower you to support your family, give back to your community, or live life on your own terms. So today, watch your first HTML or JavaScript video. Write your first line of code. Set a small weekly goal. One step a day can change your life in a year. Believe in yourself and start creating a future you're proud of. You have what it takes. Now go prove it.